Good morning, everyone. This is your girl, Shirley the Jordan, and I'm back with another testimony and another product that I use. This is Mary Kay. It's by Mary Kay, and it is for the advanced signs of aging. Now, this is for suitable and sensitive skin, which I have. It is oil and fragrance free. Now, the way that you use this, you use it in the morning and you use it in the evening. You can do upward strokes and downward strokes if you like. Personally, I usually just take the whole pump and let me take my glasses off. I put it on my forehead and my cheeks and my chin. And then I take both of my hands and I just literally rub it into my skin. Downward strokes around my nose and cheeks. And on my neck. No fragrance. If you don't like to use product that has smells to it, sometimes I like a smell, sometimes I don't. Today, I don't want to smell. So, this is what I use in the morning. It's my Mary Kay product. My Time Wise Regular. And this also comes in a set because it has day cream and it has the night cream with it. So, for any of you that want to use the Mary Kay product, I will post the information and the link below this video. And once again, I want to thank you, ask you to have a blessed day, and thank you for watching my feed. Love you guys.